Hello, mothers students of 4th grade. I am Miss Mari and I'm so happy to be with you in a new class. Today, we are going to make a review, un repaso, about an interesting topic. The topic is parts of a house. Miren, parts of a house. Repeat after me, please. Repite después de mí, por favor. Parts of a house. House. Una casa tiene muchas habitaciones, ¿verdad? Que las subdividen como dormitorio, cocina, baño, sala, ¿verdad? Tenemos también el garage, que algunas personas tienen en sus casas, ¿verdad? Entonces, today I have a new friend for this class. He traído una nueva amiga para esta clase. Y ustedes van a escucharla atentamente porque ella nos va a describir su propia casa. Okay? Let's start with my new friend called Melissa. Melissa is my new friend for today. Hello, my name is Melissa. Welcome to my house. My house has 5 rooms. 5 habitaciones. The first room is the living room. This is my living room. I like to watch television in the living room. The next room is the kitchen. Cocina, kitchen. Sometimes I cook dinner in the kitchen. I eat dinner with my family in the dining room. Dining room. Comedor. Dining room. Además, I also have a bathroom. Baño. Bathroom. The bathroom has a shower. Shower. Shower, ducha, shower. Toilet, toalla. And a sink, lavabo. The last room is the bathroom, dormitorio. Bathroom. My bed is very comfortable. I sleep well in my bathroom. Awesome! Thank you for watching the parts of my house. Gracias, Melissa. Gracias por contarnos las partes de tu casa. Hemos aprendido mucho hoy día, como dining room, kitchen, bathroom, living room, and others. Okay? It's so interesting to learn about that. Gracias, Melissa. And see you the next class, my dear students. Don't forget to study this vocabulary. And see you the next class and have a beautiful day. Goodbye.